Mr. Fitz, switch back to my other camera feed. Now I want to move on to my second experiment. Now what I have here today with me, as well as the clapping plate, is the Rubens tube. Rubens tube started off something like this, which, as we can all see, hasn't quite turned out the way I intended, but that's alright. This is what we have here today. It's been constructed of one large steel pipe. I've got two inlet valves at either end. This is so hopefully, well, I intended to have a nice equal gas flow throughout the tube. Now, we've got one main inlet from here, which unfortunately, due to a couple of technical difficulties, I was unable to perform this here today. If I go back to a little bit about its construction, you'll notice at this end, the rather missile-y looking end, we have a speaker, which is my makeshift cab. Separating the speaker and the tube, there's a rubber diaphragm. And basically, as I play different frequencies into the tube, it creates standing waves from one end. There's a seal at the opposing end, which the sound is then reflected back down. Now, as I said, unfortunately, because of the nature of this experiment and this lovely £4 million university complex, I'm unable to demonstrate this in person for you guys here today. But hopefully this video will suffice. Albeit, I only set the fire alarm off at the moment once. This is what I ended up having to do. So there it is, lovely kitchen setup, as you do. How I can get away with it in the kitchen, but not in this lovely big room, we'll never know. So this is the first lighting, basically, and you'll observe. Can I have some audio, please? That's it. You'll observe that at the moment the flame height is a little bit too big. This is because the gas source is still turned on. You'll notice by my small inlet valve by here. And so basically there's too much of a gas flow. But you'll notice in the next clip that I've reduced the flame height, which can be seen by the smaller valve here. And again, as I start to sweep through the frequencies, you can see a similar effect where the frequency is affecting the wave right the way through the tube. Now, like any good science experiment, I did this in multiple different ways to try and find what worked in the best possible solution. Now, what I first found is that a lot of the sound clips, the flames, were joining together. And because of this, we experimented by using rivets in every other hole. This was to try and create some space between the flame heights. And you'll notice in this next clip that it has had quite a visual impact. I've put this down to the fact that each rivet is changing the pressure within the tube. The tempo, on this audio clip is very slow. It's warping the audio. Thanks. A little more. Again. The right way. No, too far. Too far. Back the other way. Back the other way. Maybe. Yeah? No? Maybe? Right, so we're just going to have to deal with this audio, I think, by the seams of it.
I don't know, that's the natural, tempo.
Oh, we got it, guys. Sorry about this, everyone.
Can you change the BPM?
I'll match it with...
It'll be alright all night.
Yeah. Again.
No?
No.
What's the speed on that?
Just do it by free hand. Press play and fiddle with it.
Okay.
What the hell?
Sorry? It's nothing mine.
Yes? No?
No.
No? Right, so unfortunately, because of this, guys, can you just try the next one, see if it does the same on the next one? Yeah. Yeah, alright, no problem. Good. Yeah, what's another answer on a piece of paper? Guess the tune. That's the three tunes that there would have been. So, unfortunately guys, it seems that the audio on my video clips has gone horribly wrong. But, All of this is available on the internet, so any of you that have any more, want any questions answered, come and see me afterwards. I can provide you with the links for all of the break footage and more. Thank you very much, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, please. Thank you very much. That was quite interesting, wasn't it? It is rather interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can imagine the possibilities, right? We're talking about semantics, ladies and gentlemen. This is quite rather interesting, but as you heard, he's got quite a few tutorials at the moment, so if you do want to get in touch, please, have your pocket once more. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
How did that not happen on any of the other clips?
I don't know. I think it's